Jesus Christ, another day.
What's the degree you know that?
I'm gonna push it forward, push it back, push it really hard, and I'm gonna. Right here, what's wrong? Good, thank you. That's good, that's good. Good job, thank you.
Welcome.
Because I thought we were gonna crash into the house. No, that can press the brakes still. Oh yeah.
It's nice. How's it, guys? Good morning. It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 1987 Toyota Corolla FX16 GTS, and it's a no start, so let's figure it out. Make sure the battery is charged up. Let's see the miles. 191. Let's take this off. Okay, it's a fuel problem. Let's check the relays. EFI main, engine main. Let's check the fuses first. Alright, this is my new tool. Negative. This one's a diode check. 0 volts. Put on a positive. 12.1. Put on a negative. Good. Diode detection component. Component activation. So we could check the relay. On 12, 12, 12, 12. Good. .7 volts. Okay, so this is engine main. Put this here. Digital voltmeter. Okay, positive goes here, negative goes here. So nothing. Oh man, it's not that long. What's that? Oh, goes here. Once I click it, positive. Yep, it's good. Shows 11.8. Continuity right here. So it's a good relay. Put that in. EFI main. This is for the fuse. Ooh, just like that. Gotta read that. I don't know. Let's go check where it's getting power. Voltage there. Ground. This is getting voltage. Voltage. So 2 and 4, no continuity. 2 and 4. Alright. Let's see. So 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Shouldn't have any continuity. Okay, nothing. And then this is 1 and 3 should show continuity. What is that? Between 70 and 75 ohms? You can hear it. So that's good. Let's check if there's any fuel coming out. 22. There we go. Let's start the car. See if fuel is gonna come out from there. Nope, no fuel. It could be a bad fuel pump. The battery's disconnected. My friend says some mechanic was messing with it. What I notice is this wire here is going to the fuel pump. And there's a wire here going to a relay right over here. Oh, it's a relay. Oh. As you can see, they screwed it down here. And then I guess this is getting power. There's ground right there. What's up with that? Let's see what's going on here. That is not normal. Hello.
This is Anna from Discount Power Opportunity to reduce your monthly energy bill.
Let's see if it will get power and we could hear it. Let's just see what happens when we put it back together. The freak just flew off. Tried to solder it. Jerry rigged this shit, man. That's why I don't like it when a mechanic tries to work on it. Find out what the fuck is wrong with it. Luckily I spotted this, like this doesn't look normal. What the fuck is this shit, man? Just try to put these two together and see what happens. Let's put it back. Let's see what happens now. Nope, nothing. Direct battery to it. Okay, good. 12.4. Yeah. Good. Okay, it's working. I wonder if it'll start. Let's go see what happens. I'm gonna do this. There you go. Whoa. Oh, because it's not on. There you go. Hell yeah. Oh man, that makes me feel so good. Fuel pump's good, so it could be the relay. I have to test this. Take this one out. Go to the battery. Negative 4.2. It's pretty long. Ground. Good ground. Put this right here. Where's the key? And try to start it. Show's getting power. What's going on, man? Whoa. Start it up. Nice. Let's go check where this goes. Let's solder this. Remove this. Missing. Here. What the fuck? Ooh. Ooh. So that is the defroster. Defroster. Yeah. It's the defroster. That's that bullshit. Let's take out this now. Just take this out. Leave that. That's fine. Time to put it back. Here. Twist this baby. Dang, this is not working. Bottom. Dang it. Ouch. Where's the boys? Put the seat down. Right down there. There you go. Yeah. What's this manual? What do you think? You know how to drive this? I'm driving with one hand. Yeah, you have to get out, dude. All right, Marlo. Take care.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What do you think of this, huh?
It's cool.
It's pretty cool, huh? What's up, Warren?
Man, you got
How are
it
you?
out.
Yeah, got it running.
Man, I love that little car.
Yeah, sounds good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace. Cut.